Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making a video of how I make very delicious spaghetti. You guys, if you finish seeing this spaghetti, like your head will scatter, your head will go upside down. But don't mind me, you guys. If you are just a new subscriber on my channel, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Please, if you're watching this video and you're not a subscriber, please, you would see a red tab, I think here, you'd see a red tab there. Please just tap that red tab and tap the bell beside it so you can be notified whenever I post a video. Let's get into this cooking. Okay guys, I have my green beans here, I have my onions, I have garlic, I have green peppers, I have red pepper, and I have carrot here, and I also have crayfish that I have already blended, and now I'm about to put this in hot water. Okay guys, you want to put guarana oil into the spaghetti. So at this point I put in my fresh red peppers and my green peppers as well, so that it can simmer lightly. After that I added a little bit of water, because remember you're making a sauce. At this point I also added salt, but I didn't film putting the salt. So after the water I put in my carrots and just allowed it to simmer for a while. Then I got out my dried thyme. I love thyme, and I put thyme in the sauce to give it some more flavor. So you guys, I love fish so much. I fried this fish with just salt and Maggi sprinkled, and I mashed some fish and put into the simmering sauce. After that I put in 3 cubes of Maggi to give it taste, and obviously crayfish gives spaghetti a delicious taste. I left that one to pour when I mix the spaghetti with the sauce. So that is what I am doing right now. I am just trying to turn this spaghetti round so that the sauce can get all over the spaghetti. I had to go off camera to do this. So this is when the spaghetti was well turned, and I put in the remaining crayfish. You guys, the whole house was smelling so good. Oh my god, and it tasted so good as well. So yeah, this is me just trying to turn the spaghetti so that all the sauce can get to all the spaghetti. Okay guys, super delicious. You guys,